Hi everyone, this is Jenny Garcia and this is another sticker with me video, and the challenge that I'm going to be working on it's favorite colors. And the original prompt was favorite color, but I love a bunch of colors. I have a very busy, colorful sort of aesthetic, but my favorite colors are orange and this lime green. I even had a card this color and I called it my green bean. So this one was a really fun one, and it was one of those that I could have made 2 pages. I could have done one green and one orange, which I thought about it, but I'm trying to keep my projects. This is supposed to be like a fun exercise, not something else that I'm behind on. Even though actually no. I caught up. I am caught up right now. I'm just behind sharing the videos. And the products that I always pull out first are my Pipsticks stickers. It's one of the big reasons that I started to do this challenge. I get their Classic Pro subscription every month, and even though I love a bunch of those stickers and I can use them in my reading journal, my project life, my December daily, I also have a bunch of leftovers that are still really fun, and this is a good exercise that you can do when your mojo is low. So if you ever feel that way, just do a collage, do one of these sticker collages, whatever speaks to you, something where you're just gluing something down. It just kind of gets you in the mood to create. And I also love my sticker pads. This one is from Damask Love, and I love her collections because they are so colorful. And come on, American Craft, did we needed another Maggie Holmes collection? No. I'm so bummed. We got a bunch, like I think the Jen Hatfield was really cute, but we did not need another Maggie. No hate to Maggie, her stuff is really pretty, but it's the same collection over and over. It's just her collection. The first one was when my little one was either a baby or like one, so almost 10 years ago, and it has been like the same thing over and over. Add horses, add zebras, they always add one more thing, most likely an animal. And it's really cute, but I'm just biased. I wanted another Damask Love collection. I love everything she makes. And these pads were perfect for my challenge. It had a bunch of the colors that I love, and I wanted to use a red hair girl. So if you are a redhead or have someone with red hair in your life that you scrap a lot about, you should get one of these sticker pads. I think this one, it's about girls. I think, is it girls want to have fun? I can't remember. But I got these sticker pads from Tuesday Morning when I still had one. Sadly, the one near my house closed. Bummer. But I was lucky while I had it. And I like orange, from the yellow orange shade to the red orange, almost red. I love all the oranges, but for green I'm a little more selective. I prefer this really bright lime, kiwi. That's the range, lime and kiwi, and all the little bright greens in between. I also use for this challenge this Passion Planner sticker pad. I use it a lot. And most crafters have one of these pads. We all succumb to the temptation, either the Happy Planner ones or the ones from American Crafts. So this is a great way to use those stickers. Here I am using my very scientific method of measuring, and it gets a little hard when the pieces are still, when the spaces are a little bit big, but not big enough to just put anything. And I did want to use these awesome little books. Before I sit down to make the video, I try to grab a few things that will get this project done a little bit faster. And of course, for this prompt, I grabbed the Pipsticks kit. I think it was May 2023 that it was all about colors, and each little sheet had a specific color, and that was very helpful. Then we had a few rainbow ones, like the ones with the cats and the makeup. I think this pad is one of my go-to ones. I also love to have fruit stickers. I don't know what is it about fruit stickers that I'm a sucker for them, and food. I don't know why. I think it's because it's the most kawaii-able thing. It's the easiest thing to make kawaii. Just add a tiny little face, and it doesn't need to be in a specific area. It's automatically cute. And I tried to do a diagonal with the colors. It gets a little hard when you're reaching the end. And now it's the hard part, filling out the super tiny spaces. And I love, now they're not doing it this year, but last year Pipsticks added the super tiny stickers, like those fruit ones, to their kits. So I'm going to use those to fill out the super tiny spaces. And this sticker sheet has a tiny bottle of green glitter, and I thought it was perfect for the challenge. You see, look at that pretty pad. Why can't we get something extra colorful like that? Because the next colorful thing, it's Vicky, and I love her stuff too, but I like more cutesy than artsy, which is ironic because I do make art. I love her stuff, but I can't use it that well in the scrapbooking that I do. And now that I look at this, I didn't intend for this layout to be as tropical as it turned out, between the leaf and all the fruit and the glasses and the little animals. It ended up being a little tropical, but I don't mind. I love it. I love these colors. Let me know, what are your favorite colors? Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye!